In this video, we will demonstrate how to remove and install the WLAN card. Before removing the WLAN, read through the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the Dell Precision 3551 Service Manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, ensure that you turn off your computer and disconnect all attached peripherals. To get started, turn the computer over and loosen the 8 captive screws that secure the base cover. Using the flat end of a plastic scribe, pry the base cover from the hinges or pry points and continue to work on the sides to open the base cover. Lift and remove the base cover away from the computer. Disconnect the battery cable from the connector on the system board. Turn the computer over and open the display. Press and hold the power button for 5 seconds to ground the computer and drain the fleet power. After draining the fleet power, close the display and turn the computer over. Now, let's remove the WLAN card. Loosen the single screw that secures the WLAN card bracket and WLAN card to the system board. You can now remove the WLAN card bracket. Now, slide and lift the WLAN card away from the WLAN card slot on the system board. Carefully disconnect the antenna cables from the connectors on the WLAN card. You have successfully removed the WLAN card. Now, let's see how to install the WLAN card. To begin, connect the antenna cables to its connectors as indicated by the black and white triangles on the WLAN card. Insert the WLAN card into its slot on the system board. Now, align the bracket with the card and tighten the screw to secure the bracket to the WLAN card. Connect the battery cable to the connector on the system board. Align and place the base cover. Gently press around the edges of the base cover until it clicks into place. And tighten the 8 captive screws to secure the base cover to the computer. You have now successfully installed the WLAN card. You can now connect all the peripherals and turn on your computer. For more information, see the service manual at dell.com/support.